R ஓட சவுண்ட் என்னது?
R போடுறேன், நீ R ஓட சவுண்ட் சொல்லு.
R sound. What is the sound of R? Mahini, don't look at your star. Come on, look at me. R. What is the sound of R?
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. AT. What is AT? At. At. What will come? At. Only one word. That's all. At. At என்ன வரும்? W. At. Hazel, what will come, ma? At. What will come? Huh? Rat. Very good. Rat. At. Rat. Okay. Very good. Thank you, Mahini. Like this only you have to learn. Like this only you have to recap also. Mahini's dad. RAT, rat, BAT, batten சொல்லி கொடுக்காதீங்க. Okay. Use only the phonic sound. Okay. Okay, children. All of you, how many of you are here? We'll have a small recap of birds, children. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Sukrip Gautam.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. Yeah, first verse. Good morning, Vihan. Yes, Varsha, what bird is this? Good morning, Taruneshwar. Sparrow. This one? Yes. 3 of you should answer. One is Varsha, next is Vihan, and next is Hazel. 3 of you should answer now. What bird is this? Others, mute yourself. Peacock. Very good. Next, what bird is this? Eagle. Very good. Next, what bird is this?
Flamingo.
Louder, children.
Flamingo.
Very good. Yes, good morning, Makavi Kartika. Flamingo. Very good. Next, parrot and parakeet. Very good. Kavi Kartika, mute yourself. I'll call you, ma. Next,
Owl.
owl. Very good. Hazel, what bird is this? Owl. Okay. Next,
Kingfisher.
kingfisher. Hazel, what bird is this?
Kingfisher.
Kingfisher. Very good. Next,
Dove.
no. Varsha,
Yes, ma'am.
what bird is this, Varsha? Pigeon.
Pigeon.
Okay. Next. 3 of you, come on. Ostrich.
Vulture.
Vulture. Hazel, what bird is this? Vulture. Very good. Next, crane. Very good. Next, woodpecker. Very good. Next, hummingbird. Hummingbird. Very good. Okay, thanks. Yeah, very good. Yeah, good morning, Marudin. Yeah, thank you so much, Varsha, Vihan, and Hazel. Next, it's going to be Jason. Wait a minute. Jason, Kavi Kartika, and Mahirni. Jason, Kavi Kartika, and Mahirni. What bird is this? No, hummingbird. Hummingbird. Okay. Next,
Very good.
yes, woodpecker. Kavi Kartika, what bird is this? Woodpecker. Very good. Next, yes, Jason. Crane. Very good. Mahirni, what bird is this?
இது என்ன bird? பாருங்க.
Mahirni,
என்ன bird? அதானே சொன்னேன்.
what bird is this?
சொன்னேன்ல.
Crane.
Crane.
Crane. Okay. Next, what bird is this? Look at the screen, Mahirni. Don't play.
என்ன bird?
Crowa. Vulture. Very good, Kavi Kartika. Vulture. Good. Next,
இது என்னது?
pigeon. Very good, Jason. Pigeon. Okay. Next,
இது என்னது?
kingfisher. Very good, Jason. Kavi Kartika, what bird is this? Good morning, Margesha. Kingfisher. Very good, three of you. Next, what bird is this?
Owl.
Huh? Owl. Very good, owl. Next, what bird is this? Yeah, very good. Parrot and parakeet.
Correct.
Very good. Next, what bird is this?
இது என்னது?
Flamingo. Flamingo. Okay. Next,
No. Very good.
eagle. Very good, Mahirni. Eagle. Kavi Kartika, what bird is this?
Try பண்ணு.
Eagle. Very good. Next.
அங்க போய்
Next.
மயில்.
Mile சொல்லக்கூடாது. It is peacock. Peacock. Okay. Okay. Next.
இது. இங்க பாருங்க.
Sparrow. Sparrow. Very good. Thank you, three of you. Okay. Next, it's going to be Radyarni, Sukriv Gautam, and Visha. Radyarni, Sukriv Gautam, and Visha. Very good, Visha. Sukriv Gautam. Okay, Sukriv Gautam, if you can't answer, leave it, ma. Okay, just identify. Okay, afterwards I'll ask you. Instead of Sukriv, I'll ask Ananya. Visha, Radyarni, and Ananya.
Ma'am, Ananya is not aware of the birds, ma'am.
Not aware of birds. Okay, you listen, ma, Ananya. Okay, first, sparrow. What bird is this, Radyarni and Visha? Sparrow. Very good. Next, Radyarni, what bird is this? Don't play, Radyarni. Answer. Okay, next, what bird is this? What bird is this? Eagle. Eagle. Next, what is this? Visha, you don't know? Flamingo. Flamingo. Next. Okay, next. Parrot. Parakeet. Next. What bird is this? Owl. Very good. Owl. Good. Next, what bird is this? Kingfisher. Very good, Visha. Radyarni, I am not hearing any answers from you, Radyarni. Louder. What bird is this? Huh? Kingfisher. Louder. Okay. Next. Pigeon. Very good, Radyarni. Pigeon. Good. Next. Huh? Vulture. Vulture. What is this? Vulture. Okay. Next one. Crane. Instead of looking at the screen, you are looking at your mama all the time. Then how will you identify the birds, Radyarni? Screen பார்த்தா தானே தெரியும். அம்மாவே பார்த்திருந்தா எப்படி தெரியும்? Crane. Crane. Next bird. Yeah, correct, only say loudly. What, Visha? Very good. Woodpecker. Correct only. Why you are having doubts in that? Woodpecker. Okay. Next bird, hummingbird.
Hummingbird.
Yeah, hummingbird. Very good. Thank you, Visha and Radyani. Next is Tara. Mitra is there. Mitra is there. Mitra. Keshav. Are you there? Okay. Mitra, Tara, and Keshav. Three of you. Okay. What bird is this?
This
Tara also answer, ma. Hummingbird.
hummingbird.
Yeah, hummingbird. Next.
Oh, peccata.
Woodpecker, not woodcutter. Woodpecker. Very good. Sarah, where are you? Answer, Sarah. Next.
Flamenco.
Crane.
Yay.
Crane.
Vulture.
Vulture. Very good. Very good. Vulture.
Pigeon. Pigeon.
Super. Pigeon. Very good. Pigeon.
Fisher. Kingfisher.
Kingfisher. Very good. This one.
Owl.
Owl. Very good, Mitra. Parrot. Parakeet.
Parrot.
Next. Very good, Keshav. Flamingo. Flamingo.
Flamingo.
Good. Eagle. For eagle.
Eagle.
Okay, eagle only has white feathers around its neck, children. You can see white color feathers it has here. See here. Okay, eagle only has like that. Okay. Next.
Peacock.
Peacock. Good. Next.
ST.
What is this? Sparrow. Sparrow. Yes, very good. Rudvin. Rudvin. Dashwan is there. Three of you, thank you. Makeshav, Sara, and Mitra, thank you. Yes, Rudvin, come on, answer. What bird is this? Mute yourself, Mitra.
Can you also say, ma'am?
Yeah, he can say. Since he is getting cough, I didn't ask him.
Okay.
Yes, slower solunga Sukri, okay? What bird is this?
Sparrow.
Super sparrow. Good.
Peacock.
Peacock. Rudvin, what bird is this? Louder, Rudvin.
Eagle.
Eagle. Very. Tarneshwar, you already answered, no, ma?
No, ma'am.
Eagle. Okay. Now you can answer, Taruneshwar. What bird is this? Yes, super. Eagle. Very good. Next. Super, Masukri. Yeah, I can hear. Don't compel him. I can hear it. Flamingo. Good, Sukri. Flamingo. Good. Next. Parrot. Good, Rudvin. Parrot. Another one. Parakeet. Parrot. The green one is parrot. And the red one is parakeet. Okay. Next. Owl. Very good. Owl. Very good. Rudvin, Tarneshwar, and Sukrit. Owl. Next. Kingfisher. Very good, Taruneshwar. Kingfisher. Pigeon. Very good. Pigeon. Very good. Sukri Gautam, you need not answer, ma. You are getting cough, okay? Need not answer. You just keep quiet. Next. Slow. Vulture. Vulture. What is it? Yes, parents don't teach them, let them identify, don't tell them the answer. Crane. Crane. Rudven. Crane. Next. What bird is this, Rudven? Hmm. Yes, Taruneshwar. Woodpecker. Very good. Yeah, woodpecker. Next, this is hummingbird. Hummingbird. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, children. All of you stand up, join your hands, and close your eyes. Stand up, all of you. Join your hands and close your eyes, children. Yes, ready for Kidzi Anthem? Yes. Hazel, Kidzi Anthem, will you say? Come on. You are within me. You are the wings.
Wings.
Yes, very good. Thank you, Mahini. Well done. Dashram, mute yourself, ma. Okay, very good. Thank you so much. Very good morning to everyone. Now I want all of you keep standing. Let's finish our warm-up activity.
Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's all time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's all time. Stop! Tiger! Run, 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 run like a tiger. Run, 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 run like a tiger. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's all my time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's all my time. Stop! Elephant! Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop! Kangaroo! Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop! Crocodile! Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop! Eagle! Fly, 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 fly like an eagle.
Yes, very good. Next, shall we have a baby shark rhyme? Baby shark, okay? Together. Just dragon sound. Okay? Shake your hands.
Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark. Mommy shark, mommy shark, mommy shark, mommy shark. Grandma shark, grandma shark, grandma shark, grandma shark.
Yes, very good. All of you go drink one glass of water and come back. Dashwan. 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 Dashwan is absent today. Kavi Kartika, Dashwan is there. Why it is taking so much of time, Dashwan? Next.
Bike control click on please.
Okay, fine, fine. Very good, Hazel. Next. Jason. Very good, Jason. Keshav. Very good, Keshav. Radhyani. Very good, Radhyani. Rudwin. Very good, Rudwin. Sarah. Very good, Sarah. Ananya. Very good, Ananya. Sukriv Gautam. Sukriv Gautam. Very good, Sukriv Gautam. Next, Visha. Very good, Visha. Kavi Kartika. Very good, Kavi Kartika. Mahilini. Very good, Mahilini. Mitra. Very good, Mitra. Taruneshwar. Very good, Taruneshwar. Varsha. Very good, Varsha. Vihan. Vihan. Very good. Children, all of you clap hands for yourself. A big clap, loud clap for yourself. Do you know why we are clapping now? Why we are clapping our hands now? Tell me, anyone. Very good, children. You identify why we clap hands. Very good. Very good, all of you. You all are present today. No absentee today. யாருமே absent இல்ல. Everyone is present. So very good, children. High five everyone to ma'am. Likewise, I want you to attend the session every day. Okay, daily you have to attend your session. Okay, thank you so much. So straight away we'll move on to our worksheets, children, today. Okay, so birds we already have the recap, right? So next today we'll see what are the food they eat. Next we are going to see what type of food they eat. What we eat. We eat rice, vegetables, fruits, and some of you eat non-veg and all, right? So let us see birds what they are all eating. Okay, today we are going to see that. And according to that, we are going to do our worksheet also. Can you see my screen? Yes. Can you see, children? Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Okay. First is eagle. Okay. Eagle eats flesh of other animals like rat. Sometimes it eats fish and all. Okay. So, and dead animals also, if it is, it eats the flesh of dead animals also. So, eagle eats rat, fish, etc. Okay. And next bird is hummingbird. Hummingbird will only suck the honey from the flowers. Honey. Okay, rather than that, it will not eat anything. Only the honey that is present in the flower. Nectar, okay? Then pigeon. Pigeon will eat grains like wheat, rice, everything. Okay? Pigeon eats grains, that is wheat. And then parrot, it eats only fruit, that is grapes. Mostly grapes. Okay? So parrot eats grapes. Pigeon eats wheat. Hummingbird takes nectar from flowers. And then eagle feeds on rat and fishes. Okay, so this only we are going to do in worksheets also. So I want you to take worksheet number D79 CT. D79 CT.
Number 3, workbook 3. No?
Yeah, workbook 3 only. Workbook 2 is over.
Okay. D79.
D79 CT. Write today's date, children. 28/28-10-2121, and the day is Thursday. Month is October. Here we are going to match the food that all these 4 birds eat. Okay, now we have saw in your PPT also. Yes, now come on, what you remember, match it. Match what all you remember, children. Eagle eats grains or grapes or nectar from flowers or rat. What will eagle eat? Anyone? Rat. Very good. Very good, Hazel and Mitra. Very good. So what you'll do? You have to match rat. Yes. Next, hummingbird. Hummingbird. Yeah, nectar from flowers. Very good, Vihan. Good. Nectar from flowers. And then pigeon. What did you see for pigeon? Wheat. Very good. See how fast this girl Hazel is matching? Wheat. And the fourth one, parrot. Parrot or parakeet, whatever it is. It eats grapes. Only fruits they eat, children. Okay. Parrot only eats fruits. Okay. Finish? Finish your worksheet, all of you? Very good, children. Okay, let's move on to our next worksheet. And the next worksheet number is D80CT. D80CT. Match the shadows. You have vulture, parakeet, ostrich, and kiwi. Match the shadows. Vulture, parakeet, ostrich, kiwi.
Fish bag.
Very good, Keshav. Finished all of you?
Ma'am,
Well
page
done.
number, ma'am.
D80CT.
Okay, ma'am.
Ah. Very good, Radyani. Very good, Mahini. Vulture, parakeet, ostrich, kiwi. Now circle the flightless bird, children, in that worksheet. Circle the flightless bird. Flightless bird na ennadi? It cannot fly. What is the flightless bird in that worksheet? Can anyone tell me?
Very good.
Very good. Kiwi and ostrich. Good. Kiwi and ostrich, they cannot fly. Very good. Okay, those are finished. Take your next worksheet. It is D80LT. Start matching the capital letters to the small letters. Those who have finished matching the birds worksheet can take worksheet number D80LT and then start matching the capital letters to the small letters.
Click on the capital small letter.
Capital A, you have to find very small a and then match it. For example, see here, capital A is here. Check for small a, it is here. So match it. Like this you are going to match. Slowly check and match, children. Don't often erase and do it. Slowly you do it. Mahini, mute yourself, ma.
Ma'am, I was going to ask you. She's confused between D and B, ma'am. Small D and B.
Standing line, front curve will be B. Standing line and backside curve D. Whenever she is coming across B and D, you have to guide her in this way. Then only she will change. Okay? Front curve நாதாம்மா B. Backside curve இருந்ததுன்னா அது D. அப்படின்னு சொல்லிக்கிட்டே இருக்கணும். Repeatedly.
Oh, correct. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Finish a Hazel. Superstar. Why you are finishing so fast, huh? Why don't you take some time? Next time I'm going to ask your mama to hold your hand. Then only you will do it slowly. Huh? Yes, Hazel? Yes, mama. Okay, Hazel. For you, I'm giving you another worksheet. This worksheet. Come on, start writing this worksheet. Okay, slowly. And the worksheet number is D79LT. Small letters A to Z. Okay, write the missing letters. Those who have finished matching can take D79LT and do it.
Fish bag.
Very good. Take D79LT, ma, and do it. Small letters A to Z. Follow the line, children, okay? A is given, you need not write A, B, C, D. D, how will you write? Standing line, the back side curve. Yes, Sukriv Gautam? Finish, ma?
Finish, ma'am.
E. Very good, ma. Take D79 LT worksheet and write this. E, F is given, G is also given. After G, you will get H. I, J, K, L is already given, M is also given, and then N, O, E. Yes, if you have finished, you can take D79 LT worksheet, ma Taruneshwar. Very good, Taruneshwar. U. R is already given, you need not write. And then S. After S, you will get T, U, V, W. X is already given. Write Y. If you are writing Y, either you can write with a slanting line or like a curve like this also, children. Both Y are correct only. Finished. Okay, fine. If you have doubts, check in the screen and you can write, children. Hazel, if you have finished, come on, take your "and" words. Yesterday we wrote, right? Take that "and" words and read it and show it to me. Louder, louder, louder. Good. Fast, 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 fast. Huh? This much fast if you learn, what I'll do, straight away I'll shift you to senior KG. Huh? No need of junior KG. Yes, children, you want me to share the screen? Finish.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Varsha. Take your "and" words, read and show it to me, Varsha.
Sorry, ma'am. What is it, ma'am?
And words. Yesterday we wrote, right? And words.
Okay.
A and words.
Okay. And words நான் read பண்ணி சொல்லு. Say. இதோட
Point it out with your pointer finger and read, ma.
ஒண்ணுதான் கேக்குறாங்க. பென்சில் வச்சுட்டு
Mm.
Can.
Good.
And.
Mm.
Fan.
Fan. Next.
Man.
Very good, Mitra.
Fish. Bat. Fan.
Good. At. And.
Rat.
Okay.
Rat.
Ran. Good. Very good. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Mitra, come on, read your and words.
Go and can.
Mm.
And fan.
Mm.
And man.
Mm.
Go and pan.
Mm.
And ran.
Good.
Go and bang.
Very good.
And bang.
Van. Very good. Varsha, you didn't read van. And van, you didn't read. Ran only you read, right? And van, you didn't read. Forgot, ah. Good. Okay, next Keshav. And words. Very good, Mavisha.
Go and can.
Super.
A cat and can.
Mm. Man, correct.
Pa.
Good, good.
And.
And and ran. Next, and van. Van. Very good, Keshav. Children, hope you all have finished this worksheet. Is there anyone still doing this worksheet? Very good, Bihan. Is there anyone still doing this worksheet? Yes. Come on, finish, Radhyani. Jason.
அடுத்து இங்க எழுது எழுதி தானே இருக்கு அடுத்தது எழுது எழுதுனா அடுத்து எம் கட்டு
Sukri Gautam, finish?
Yeah, ma'am, he finished, ma'am.
Very good, Sukri. Jason is writing. Radhyani is still writing?
எஸ் மேம்
Kavi Kartika, yeah, okay, right. Kavi Kartika, then Dashwan, Rudvin, Taruneshwar. Did you all finish? Finished, ma, Rudvin? Very good, Rudvin. Dashwan, Kavi Kartika. Finished, huh? Write fast, Kavi Kartika. Ananya, finish. Ananya, Taruneshwar.
Ananya finished, ma'am.
Very good, Ananya. Taruneshwar.
Tarneshwar writing, ma'am.
Okay, Ananya, I have finished. Come on, let me hear that and words. Read the and words. Did you copy down the and words, Ananya's mom?
Yes, ma'am. From yesterday's video, I copied 5 words.
Yeah, fine. Can you read, Ananya?
ma'am, படிச்சு காட்ட சொல்றாங்க படிச்சு காட்டு
And can.
க
Mm.
and can அதே மாதிரி
Super.
ம்
And. And. Man.
இது
N.
an.
An.
Per and pan.
Pan.
Per and pan.
And
Pan.
pan.
Good.
R.
Phonic sound.
L.
E.
An.
And
Ran.
run.
Next. V.
V.
Phonic
V.
sound.
V and
And pan.
van. Very good, ma, Ananya. V and van. Good, Ananya. Let's finish. Others, those who are still writing, did you finish? Yes, very good. Yeah, children. Today we are going to learn a new shape, children. So far we have learned many shapes. Let me show you. We have learned so far how many shapes did we learn? Circle, semicircle, yes. Then triangle, rectangle, square, star, and then heart shape, oval. So all these shapes we learned, right? And then diamond I left out, sorry. Diamond shape. So all these are the shapes that we learned so far, right? Today we are going to learn a new shape, that is crescent. This is crescent, okay? One minute. Crescent. Have you seen full moon? You have seen, but when you see it day by day, it will reduce and it will become like this shape. Have you seen in the sky moon shape? Have you seen a shape like this? That is crescent shape. That shape we call it as crescent. That is neither circle nor semicircle. It is crescent. Crescent na இப்படி இருக்கும். அது circle-ம் கிடையாது, semicircle-ம் கிடையாது, but it will be like this. Moon ஒரு சில time when you look at the sky, moon இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும். Crescent shape-ல இருக்கும். So this is crescent. 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 This is crescent shape. What shape is this? Crescent. You should not say this as semicircle. Semicircle இப்படி இருக்காது. Semicircle is half circle. இப்படி இருக்கும், flat ஆ இருக்கும் top. Okay, but this you have a curve, right? This is crescent. This is not a semicircle. Don't confuse with semicircle and crescent. So this is crescent shape. That is the moon shape. Okay, crescent. Okay, now take your worksheet, children, and the worksheet number is, you are going to color all the crescent shapes. Okay, worksheet number is D79 empty. D79 empty. Wherever you see this crescent shape, color it. Not the semicircle or oval. Crescent shape எங்கெல்லாம் இருக்கோ color பண்ணுங்க. Okay, D79 empty. Crescent. When you get that circle shaped biscuit, Marie biscuit and all, when you bite it, you will get that crescent shape. Marie biscuit, Good Day biscuit, any cream biscuit, circle shaped cream biscuit, when you bite it, you get a semicircle. That is not, sorry, that is a crescent shape, not a semicircle. Okay? Semicircle means when you break it only, you will get semicircle. But when you bite it, you get crescent shape. Color all the crescent shape in your worksheet. How many crescent shape is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 crescent shape is there.
Finish.
Finish, children. Finish coloring crescent shape. Okay, next worksheet is D80 empty, children. D80 empty. Yes. Take. Yeah, very good, everyone. Those have finished the crescent shape coloring. Take D80 empty. D80 empty. This worksheet will be having match the shapes according to the related pictures here, objects here. Circle, star, triangle and semicircle. What are the objects related to this shape? You have to match it. That's it, children. Final worksheet. It's very good, Sukri. Finish. Good. Next. Yeah, D80 empty. Very good. Very good. Very good, Sukri. Gautam. Finished, all of you? Yes?
சரி போதும் போதும் மேம் சூப்பர் சொல்லிட்டாங்க.
Very good, ma, Sukri. Vaisa. Easy only, children. Match it fast. Semicircle shape is there. There is no crescent shape, children. It's very good, Mahirni. Yes, tomorrow I'll be asking you and words, at words together, children. Okay, sit and read in the evening. At words and an words, and words. Okay, don't miss out. Read it tomorrow. Everyone have to read the words. Okay, observation will be there. Okay, children. So thank you so much, children. Thanks for your cooperation. See you tomorrow. Bye bye, everyone. Yes, bye, everyone. Bye bye. Yes, bye. Bye, Ma Kavi Kartika. Bye, Mahirni. Bye, Ananya. Bye, Jason.